Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel eVidya Online Classes. Today in this video you will learn how to use Campus Care app to give your online exam. So to give online exam through Campus Care. You can use Campus Care to give your online exam in two ways. First way is by Campus Care app and the second way is by Chrome web browser. Whichever way you feel easy, you can give your online exam either by using Campus Care app or by using Chrome. So one by one we will discuss both the ways. So here is the first way. Through Campus Care app from your mobile. So first of all, you have to select Campus Care app on your mobile. As you can see in the image, the Campus Care app is there, encircled by the red colored and shown by the arrow mark. After choosing Campus Care app, the page will open as you can see in the image. Here you have to type your user ID and password to sign in. After signing in, the home page will open as you can see in the image. Now in the home page, various options will come as you can see in your image. The syllabus, timetable, my teachers, message, my profile. These are the various options which is coming in home page. You have to select online exam option. As you can see down, the shown by the arrow mark, the red circle part, online exam, that you have to select. After selecting online exam option, the subject page you will open as you can see in the image. Here select the subject of which exam you have to give. Suppose you have to give the exam of mathematics, so you have to choose mathematics subject. After choosing the subject, the attempt page will open. As you can see in the image, this is the attempt page. Now in the attempt page, at the top, the upcoming exam will be shown at the given time. The image which you can see on the screen is all the exam you have already given, that it is showing. The exam which is going to be held will come at the top, and instead of result, as you can see where it is written result, there will be written start. Okay, to start your online exam of the subject in the given date and time, it will come in this attempt page and you have to tap on the start option. As you will tap on the start, your online exam will start, and on your screen one by one the question will come. Okay, suppose question 1 will come with the 4 options. So whichever option is correct, you have to choose that option. Then down it will come save and next. So like this, after completing one question, the next question will appear on your screen. Like this, so many questions will appear, and last what you have to do, you have to submit all your answers. So at the last on the screen it will be written submitted successfully. So like this was a one way to give your online exam through Campus Care app. So now there is other way. The other way also you can give your online exam, that is through Chrome. So first of all you have to select Chrome option. As you can see the circle part shown by the arrow mark, that is the Chrome option. You can select it from your mobile also, or you can select it in your laptop also. After selecting Chrome, the search bar will open. In the search bar, you have to type the URL ID of your school, means sjb.campussoft.in. As you can see, the encircle part shown by the arrow mark, there you have to type the URL. After typing URL, the page will open, the login page, the Campus Care. There the option will come ERP login. So you have to click or select ERP login option. After selecting ERP login option, the page will open as you can see in the image left side. Here you have to type your user ID and then you have to click on next. As you will click on the next, the image which is shown on the right side will appear on your screen. Here you have to enter your password, then click on sign in. As you will sign in, the Campus Care web page will open. As you can see in the image, this page will open in your mobile or in your laptop. After that, what you have to do, you have to click on the dashboard menu option, as you can see shown by the arrow mark. After selecting the menu option, your profile will open with various options. As you can see in the image, the circle part shown by the arrow mark. This is your profiles. For sibling, you can select the option shown by arrow mark. Suppose your brother or sister also studying in the same school and they have to also appear for the online exam. So what you have to do, directly you can go to in your profile only, the down, as you can see in the image shown by the arrow mark, there the sibling list will be shown. For the sibling you have to select it. Now to give your online exam, after that what you have to do, you have to select the icon shown by the arrow mark in the image. Okay, that icon you have to select it to give your online exam, which you can see in the image shown by arrow mark. After selecting that, you have to select the drop down list will occur on your screen, as you can see in the image. So many options are given: assignment, circular, online assessment, evaluation, exam schedule, library, timetable, syllabus, online exam. So you have to select online exam option, as you can see in the image shown by the arrow mark. After selecting online exam option, online exam page will open, as you can see. So this page will open. This is online exam page in your mobile also, on your laptop also. In the online exam page, subject wise test be done list option will come. As you can see in the image, the circle part shown by the arrow mark, subject wise test be done list is showing, and the subject is also showing English 1. Whichever subject your exam will be there, suppose English 2, it will show English 2, suppose mathematics, it will show mathematics, which is going to be held. It will be shown here. After that, you have to select start exam option. So the down you can see in the image, online exam name is given. Here the name of the subject is given English 1, means English 1 exam is going to be held. So after that what you have to do, you have to select start exam option. So as you will select this start exam option, your exam will start, means one by one the question will appear on your screen. You have to choose which is the correct option, then you have to do save and next. So another question will appear, one by one the question will appear, and you have to give your exam, and after that at the last you will submit it. It will be shown submitted successfully. Hope you understood both the way of giving your online exam through Campus Care app also and through Chrome also, which whenever is easy for you, easy way, you can choose any one of the way to give your online exam. And this video is meant for all the examination, either it is quarterly or half yearly or final. In future if it is going to be held online exam, so this process same you will follow it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe the channel eVidya online classes. Thank you.